Good morning, YouTube. What's up? Getting ready to go out on a 13-mile loop in Logandale with all the Jeeps. We're out here with the 702 Misfits, and we are going to go check it out. First time doing the loop. Should be a lot of fun. We got Bianca's Jeep here. We got my Jeep. We got all kinds of other Jeeps, so it's going to be a blast. Never done this run before, but we are going to check it out. Should be fun. Getting ready to go. What'd you get, B?
I got ducked. My first one.
First duck. First
so
duck.
Excited.
Welcome to Logandale, Nevada. 60 miles northeast of Las Vegas, there's a playground for off-road enthusiasts of all kinds. Bianca and I and the kids met up with a Facebook group called the 702 Misfits to check out the 13-mile loop trail. This trail is the main trail of the Logandale Trail system and offers sand, gravel, flat ground, and even some challenging obstacles along the way. Whether you have a custom rock crawler build or a stock Jeep or Bronco, there's something here for you. The views are amazing, and the people we met along the way were a great group of folks. So fasten your seatbelts and come along with us on Logandale's 13-mile loop. The 13-mile loop offers some amazing views. Gorgeous sandstone cliffs and rock formations that are pretty typical in the southern Utah and northern Nevada area. We took the Gladiator on this trip. It had no trouble getting through some of the obstacles and plowing through the sand. The Logandale Trail system contains over 200 miles of trails, suitable for all kinds of off-road vehicles, as well as hiking and horseback riding. The system offers a unique recreational opportunity in southern Nevada, the opportunity to see rare plants and animals, and petroglyphs left hundreds of years ago by inhabitants of the area.
Got up here and it looks like the road gets really gnarly up ahead, and the lead seems to feel that most of the Jeeps will make it, but not all of them. So we're going to turn around and go take another route.
I found the 702 Misfits on Facebook, just a local group of people who also enjoy off-roading like Bianca and I do. Meeting up with them was a lot of fun. If you're into off-roading yourself, try looking to see what's in your area. The 13-mile loop has a technical rating of a 3, which is easy dirt and sand roads, easily traversed by a stock SUV, but it made for a great day and a lot of fun. The kids had a blast. We stopped every now and then to let them play in the sand, check things out. It's just a good time.
Is it soft?
Yeah, feel it.
Feels soft. I can see your handprint.